Atkins Civil 3D video series, reference road, data reference road improvements. This video illustrates update the project base drawing, A. Default settings for DREF of road improvements, B. Create DREF to the various road improvement alignments and profiles, C. Create XREF to road improvement drawing, right-of-way easement drawing, and concrete road improvement, D. Create utility profile views, and E. Detach XREF to road improvement drawing. The Civil 3D alignments and profiles that were created in the road improvement drawing are DREF into the base drawing. Also, the right-of-way and easement drawing and the road concrete improvement drawing are cross-refed into the base drawing. Two drawing terminologies are used in DREF, source and current. The Civil 3D objects are created and remain in the source drawing. The objects are DREF into the current drawing. The DREF objects in the current drawing do not contain any data. The DREF only points to the file location of the source drawing. If there is a problem found in the current drawing to a DREF object, the correction has to be made in the source drawing. In lieu of using synchronize to incorporate the change into the current drawing, it is faster and easier to close and reopen the current drawing. When using DREF to incorporate an object into the current drawing, the labels associated with the initial creation of the object in the source drawing are available for display in the current drawing. However, labels created after the objects were created are not available for display in the current drawing. If it is desired to display these labels, they will have to be recreated. Generally, DREF objects are displayed in the current drawing with very few labels. DREF defaults, tool space settings, right-click current drawing name, alignment, pick the current name, C road center line, OK, profile, pick the current name, C profile data reference, OK, right-click alignment, edit feature settings, default styles, alignment style, pick the current, C align without marker, OK, alignment label set, pick the current, station tick with label, OK, right-click profile, edit feature settings, default style, profile label set, pick the current, profile no label set, OK, profile style, pick the current, profile data ref, OK, right-click profile view, edit feature settings, default styles, marker style none or blank, profile view style, pick the current, 20 horizontal 5 vertical center line, OK, profile label set, profile no label set, top stack view style, 20 horizontal 5 vertical left, middle, 20 horizontal 5 vertical center line, bottom, 20 horizontal 5 vertical right, stack profile view options, stack views, yes, OK. Create the data reference for the top surface, prospector, expand data shortcuts, expand surfaces, right-click Ken top surface, create reference. Source, Ken top surface, surface layers, C3D surface top, OK. Information, Ken top surface, existing surface, top surface, OK. Freeze layer, Civil 3D surface top, close layer manager. Create the data reference to the primary road alignment, prospector, data shortcuts, expand alignments, expand center line alignments, right-click Ken crown, create reference, source, Ken crown correct, site none, names Ken crown correct, alignment style, C align without marker, alignment layer, C road center line, alignment station set, station tech with labels, OK. The Ken crown alignment has been DREF. Change the default styles for the road alignment settings. Right-click alignment, edit feature settings, default styles, alignment label set, pick the current. Station tick, no labels, OK. Prospector, right-click 44th North, create reference. OK. Repeat for all the other side roads. The centerline alignments for all side roads have been dereffed. Deref curb return alignments, change defaults, settings, right-click road name, edit drawing settings, object layers, alignment, pick the current, select C3D align freeze, OK, OK. Right-click alignment, edit feature settings, default styles, alignment label set, pick the current. No labels, OK, OK. Prospector, expand curb return alignments. Curb return alignment are only required at locations where a sewer or storm structure is constructed in the vicinity of the curb return. Select 46 Southeast, right-click, create reference. The source, site, name, alignment style, alignment layer, alignment label set are all correct. OK. Right-click the 49th Northeast, create reference. OK. Create deref to the road profiles. Only the centerline and top of curb design profiles need to be deref for the sewer, water, and drainage improvement drawings. Prospector, data shortcuts, expand alignments, expand centerline alignment, expand Ken Crown, expand profiles, right-click Ken Crown centerline, create reference, check that all the parameters are correct, surface profile, source alignment, name, profile style, profile layers, profile label set, OK. Right-click Ken top of curb left, create reference, OK. Right-click Ken top of curb right, create reference, OK. Expand 44th North, profiles, right-click centerline, OK. Right-click top of curb left, OK. Top of curb right, OK. Repeat for each side road. Expand curb alignments. Expand 46 Southeast and 49 Northeast. Right-click atop a curb, create reference, OK. Right-click, create reference, OK. Create deref to existing surface profiles, change default settings, right-click drawing name, edit drawing settings, object layers, profile, pick the current, existing surf, OK, OK. Right-click profile, edit feature settings, default styles, profile style, pick existing ground, OK, OK. Deref the surface profiles, prospector. All centerline alignments and profiles have been expanded. 44th North, pick existing surface centerline, create reference. Check the parameters, source profile, source alignment, name, profile style, profile layer, profile label set, OK. Right-click existing surface left, create reference, OK. Right-click existing surface right, create reference, OK. Repeat for all roads. Generally, a majority of the drainage, sewer, and water improvements for a road improvement project will be constructed within or parallel to the road improvements. In such cases, they will not have their own alignment, but will be referenced to the various road alignments. Utility profile views will need to be created for these improvements. Since the project base drawing is XREF into the road improvement drawing, the profile views will have to be identical to and at the same location as the road profile views. A temporary XREF to the road improvement drawing is made to assist in their creation. After the utility profile views are created, the road improvement drawing will be detached from the base drawing. The right-of-way and easement drawing and the road concrete improvement drawing, along with the road improvement drawing, are XREF'd into the base drawing. The current layer is set to C road, XR enter. To start the XREF command, in Tool Space, External Reference section, pick the attached drawing icon. In the Drawing Reference folder, pick Right-of-way and Easement Drawing, open. Leave the scale and the insert point unchecked, OK. Enter. To restart the attach command, pick the road concrete improvement drawing, open, OK. Reconcile new layers, pick the top layer, hold shift key, pick the bottom layer, right click, reconcile, Close Layer Manager, pick the attached drawing icon, move the folders up one tier, Drawings Design, Road Improvement Drawing, open. OK. Do not reconcile the new layers. This drawing will later be detached. Create utility profile views for the primary road. Since the project base drawing is XREF into the various improvement category based drawings, including road improvement, the profile views need to be a duplicate of and superimposed onto the road profile views. Alignments are required to be created before the profile views can be created. The road alignments were previously derefed into the project base drawing and are available for use therein. Home ribbon, profile and section view panel, profile view icon, create profile view, alignment, Ken Crown, profile view name, parent alignment with a dash at the end, profile view style, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical center line, layer, C3D profile view, show offset profile by vertical stacking, yes, place check mark, station range, automatic, start 10 plus 00 in, 42 plus 00, enter. Profile view height, user specified 400 for the minimum, maximum 500. Stack profile, number of stacked views 3, gap between 60. Top view style, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical left. Middle view style, center line. Bottom view style right. Profile display options, top view, select the left, top of curb and existing ground profiles. Middle view, select the center line profiles. Bottom view, select the right profiles. Create profile view, select the lower left corner of the current profile view. Enter to move the profile views. Profile view, enter. Pick the left end, enter. To start a new command, pick the profile view, enter. Pick the lower left corner, pick the lower left corner of the current, enter. To start a new command, pick the profile view, enter. Pick the left end, pick the left end of the current. Escape to stop command, change the name of the profiles, pick a profile view, properties palette, change name to Ken Crown left, pick another profile view, change name to Ken Crown center line, escape, pick another profile view, change name to Ken Crown right, enter, escape. For this video, the side road profile views have been created using similar procedures as for the primary road. For the profile views left or north of the primary road, the 20 horizontal, 5 vertical center line, no right grid labels profile style, the start station of 7 plus 00 and the end station of 11 plus 00 were used. For the profile views right or south of the primary road, the 20 horizontal, 5 vertical center line, no left grid labels profile style, the start station of 9 plus 00 and the end station of 13 plus 00 were used. Detach the XREF to the road improvement drawing, XR enter. To open the external reference palette, right click road improvement, select detach. It is good practice to check each profile view in Prospector to ensure that the appropriate profiles are being displayed in their respective profile views. It appears that some profiles are missing from 44th North. Use Prospector to see if the profiles were derefed. Expand alignments, centerline alignments, 44th North, profiles. It appears that all profiles have been derefed into the drawing. Check the profile views to see if they were included in the display. Expand profile views, right-click left, Properties, Profiles tab, Draw column. Place a check mark in the profiles to be displayed in the profile view left, existing ground, apply, OK. Center line, properties, center line, apply, OK. Right, properties, right, apply, OK. Save the base drawing, SAVE, enter, save, yes. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.